Welcome to the MOTO Freak Channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The 3.3 Gdi engine from Hyundai and Kia is a V6 gasoline direct injection engine, primarily part of the Lambda 2 engine family. For a period, it served as a robust, mid-range V6 option, offering more power than the four-cylinder engines and being distinct from the more potent turbocharged V6s that came later. However, recent developments suggest it may not be as bulletproof as once widely believed, with some growing concerns and investigations. History and versions. Lambda 2 GDI, e.g. G6DF, G6DH, G6DP for t-gdi, the 3.3 Gdi variant of the Lambda 2 V6 family, was introduced around 2012 to 2014, transitioning from earlier multi-point injection (MPI) versions of the Lambda engine. Naturally aspirated, NA 3.3 GDI, G6DF/G6DH. This is the focus of this review. Power output typically ranges from 270 to 290 HP, 201 to 216 kilowatts, and 310 to 345 Newton-meters of torque, depending on the specific tuning and vehicle application. Twin-turbocharged 3.3 t-gdi, G6DP. It's crucial to differentiate this. The 3.3 t-gdi is a significantly more powerful engine, 365 to 370 HP, found in performance models like the Kia Stinger GT and Genesis G70/G80. While sharing the Lambda 2 base, its characteristics and potential issues are different due to the twin turbochargers. This description will focus on the naturally aspirated GDI version. Key applications: NA 3.3 GDI, Hyundai, Santa Fe DM/TM generations, often as Santa Fe Sport 2.0T/3.3L in some markets, or Grand Santa Fe/Santa Fe XL, Azra/Grandeur, HG/IG generations, Genesis BH/DH generations, prior to 3.8L or 5.0L. Kia, Sorento generation, Cadenza VG/YG generations, Sedona/Carnival YP generation. Review and opinions. For a long time, the naturally aspirated 3.3 GDI V6 was often considered one of Hyundai/Kia's more reliable engine offerings, especially when contrasted with the problematic 2.0L and 2.4L Theta 2 GDI 4 cylinders. It provided a good balance of power, smoothness, and perceived durability. However, in recent years, some owners and investigations have brought to light concerns that challenge this bulletproof reputation. Praised for smooth and powerful, delivers strong, linear acceleration without being overly aggressive. The V6 configuration inherently provides more refinement and less vibration than inline four engines. Refinement. Generally a quiet and smooth engine, contributing to a premium driving experience. Ample power. Provides sufficient power for larger SUVs, sedans, and minivans, making highway merging and passing effortless. Timing chain. Uses a timing chain typically designed for the life of the engine. Increasingly criticized for emerging concerns. Oil consumption and engine knocking/seizure. Recent reports and even investigations by NHTSA, National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, in the U.S. suggest that some 3.3L Lambda 2 GDI engines are experiencing engine knocking, excessive oil consumption, and even sudden seizure without warning lights. This is a significant shift from its previous reputation. Carbon buildup. As with all GDI engines, it is susceptible to carbon deposits on the intake valves, though generally less severe than pure GDI four cylinders. Fuel consumption. Being a larger V6, its fuel economy is considerably lower than four-cylinder options. Advantages. Strong performance. Provides robust acceleration and cruising capability for heavier vehicles. Refined operation. V6 design inherently offers smoother power delivery and less vibration. Timing chain. Generally a low-maintenance component for the engine's lifespan, assuming proper lubrication. Durable in general use. When healthy and properly maintained, it's capable of high mileage. Disadvantages. Growing reliability concerns. Connecting rod bearings/internal, where this is the most pressing disadvantage. While not at the scale of the Theta 2 recall, the increasing number of reports of sudden engine failure, knocking, seizure, related to connecting rod bearings or other internal, where is a major concern. Some reports link this to potential oil pressure issues, e.g., oil pressure switch leaks, or manufacturing defects. Higher fuel consumption. Expect significantly higher fuel bills compared to four-cylinder engines. Carbon buildup on intake valves requires attention and potential periodic cleaning to maintain optimal performance. More expensive maintenance. V6 specific some maintenance items, e.g., spark plugs for the rear bank, specific gaskets, can be more labor-intensive and costly due to the V6 configuration and engine bay layout. Common faults and breakdowns. Connecting rod bearing failure/engine seizure. This is the most severe and increasingly reported fault. Symptoms include metallic knocking noises, sudden loss of power, excessive oil consumption, and eventual complete engine failure, sometimes without prior warning lights. This has led to NHTSA investigations and class action lawsuits. Excessive oil consumption, often a precursor or symptom of the internal engine wear. Owners may need to frequently top off oil. Carbon buildup on intake valves leads to symptoms like rough idle, misfires, reduced power, and decreased fuel economy. Oil leaks, common with age, often for valve cover gaskets or oil pan seals. Ignition coils and spark plugs, regular wear items. Misfires can occur if not replaced on schedule. Variable valve timing, VVT actuator issues, can lead to rough idle or engine performance issues. Fuel consumption. The 3.3 Gdi V6 is a powerful engine, and its fuel consumption reflects that. Official figures WLTP/NEDC combined typically range from 9.0 to 11.0 L/100 km. Real-world consumption. Mixed driving. Owners often report figures between 10.0 to 13.0 L/100 km. Highway driving. Gentle can achieve 8.5 to 10.0 L/100 km. City driving or aggressive driving can easily climb to 13.0 to 16.0 L/100 km or higher, especially in heavy vehicles or traffic. Timing. The Hyundai/Kia 3.3 Gdi Lambda 2 V6 engine uses a timing chain. This is designed to be a for-life component, meaning it generally does not require scheduled replacement like a timing belt, saving on maintenance costs. However, proper lubrication with the correct oil and regular oil changes are absolutely critical for the timing chain's longevity and the health of its tensioners. Noise, e.g., rattling on cold starts, could indicate wear and necessitate inspection. Oil type. This engine requires high-quality, full synthetic oil. Specifications generally include API SN+/SP or ILSAC GF6A. These newer specifications are important for GDI engines as they offer better protection against issues like LSBI, low-speed pre-ignition, and carbon deposits. Viscosity commonly recommended is 5W30 or 5W20, with 5W20 often specified for newer models to improve fuel efficiency. In some severe climates or for specific vehicle applications, 0W30 or 5W40 might be an option, but always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise recommended oil specification and viscosity. Oil capacity, generally around 5.7 to 6.7 liters, including the oil filter, but this can vary slightly by vehicle model. Importance. Extremely frequent oil changes with the correct specification oil are paramount for the longevity and reliability of the 3.3 Gdi. Given the emerging concerns about internal engine issues, many owners and specialists strongly recommend shortening the manufacturer's suggested oil change intervals, e.g., every 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers or 6 months, regardless of driving style. Regularly checking the oil level between changes is also absolutely critical, as this engine may be prone to higher oil consumption, and low oil levels can quickly exacerbate wear. In summary, the Hyundai/Kia 3.3 Gdi Lambda 2 V6 is a powerful and refined engine that provides a premium driving experience. For many years, it held a reputation for being reliable, especially compared to its four-cylinder GDI counterparts. However, recent and ongoing investigations and a growing number of owner complaints regarding sudden engine knocking, excessive oil consumption, and seizure due to internal component failure, likely connecting rod bearings, have cast a shadow over its long-term reliability. For those considering a used vehicle with this engine, a thorough pre-purchase inspection by a mechanic familiar with these specific issues is absolutely vital. Verifying maintenance records, especially consistent and timely oil changes with the correct oil type, is also crucial. While the engine provides excellent performance, the potential for significant repair costs due to these emerging issues means it carries a notable risk for used vehicle owners. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.